People from adjoining areas of Srinagar airport staged a protest seeking evacuation of their land by Indian Air Force and Srinagar airport authorities. Scores of people from Naru, Ichgam and Gudshud areas of Srinagar gathered at the press enclave and raised slogans in favor of their demands. Residents said that their land is under the use of Indian Air Force and the airport is not being accounted for. According to Fire and Emergency Services in Kashmir, over 2,500 fire incidents took place over the past year, in which 37 people lost their lives while nearly 1,700 structures suffered damage in the Kashmir Valley. In Srinagar, 566 fire incidents were reported, in which 414 structures suffered damage while 5 people lost their lives. In Budgam, 219 fire incidents were reported, in which 112 structures were damaged. In Ganderbal, 173 fire incidents were reported, with 1 death while 85 structures were damaged. In Pulwama, 219 fire incidents were reported, in which 6 people lost their lives and 111 structures were damaged. In Shopian, 94 fire incidents, in which 4 people lost their lives while 77 structures, 12 shops suffered damage. Ladakh's leadership has rejected Modi-led Indian government's committee and made it clear to India that the people of Kargil and Leh region were better off with the occupied Jammu and Kashmir before it was stripped of its special status on 5th August 2019 and divided in the name of 2 union territories. Chering Dorje, leader and senior vice president of Ladakh Buddhist Association, said New Delhi was trying to make Ladakhi people fool after forming the high-powered committee, but refuses to accept Ladakhi's demands. Noted Kashmiri poet Rahman Rahi passed away at his residence in Srinagar on Monday. Professor Rahi has authored dozens of books and mentored hundreds of students. Jammu and Kashmir Democratic Freedom Party has expressed profound grief and sorrow over the sad demise of Professor Mushtaq Ahmed, who passed away at his home in Bijbihara. Indian Army Lieutenant Colonel based in Punjab's Firozpur murdered his wife and then shot himself dead last night. The officer left a suicide note where he confessed to harming his wife. The wife was found dead at his residence. A police constable was shot dead in a clash with an armed group in Punjab, India. Constable Kuldeep Singh was shot and injured in an incident of firing between a police party and unidentified armed attackers.